calendar year rugby season kita. Tak, to me there's a lot of room for improvement lah, to say the least.
Kau too nice. Doesn't make sense.
In the middle of 15 punya calendar, tiba-tiba kau ada PUB National Sevens. On the same day you have Piala Agung final, you have open tournament yang
RFC.
dapat section. Okay, mention terus nama.
RFC.
October 10.
Bedanya not well regulated lah kan. You ask for a sanction and then you kena manage that so that we can see a clear season lah. 15 season, 7 punya season kan.
Dia boleh buat. I always believe Persatuan sangat boleh maintain dan buat sesuatu yang accordingly tu supaya players tu tak redundant dengan ada tournament. Semua tu lah, we need sit down betul-betul, get outside people to tell you guys what are the things yang supposed to do, what not supposed to do. So kita duduk dalam, kita tak tahu.
Betul.
So orang luar give advice kan, so kita boleh nampak and then kita learn juga daripada luar. That's another thing. When you see at that place, kita tengok dekat negara orang, dia